Bugsy may play with this fish. He may not even eat. We'll see what kind of morning he's having. He may be a little bit spicy. Hi, handsome. Hello. How you doing, sweet cheeks? I know you very well. You're acting very spicy this morning. You're going to eat? You're going to spit out your fish. You're just going to be spicy. Come on. There we go. I know Bugsy very well. He is at least 11 years old. We've had him for 8 years. Good boy. Spicy with you. Is that it? Okay, bye. He may spit up those fish in the pelican world. Sharing is caring. So, no, right up to you. I said I know him very well, right?